In this question, it is given that the tangents at the points P and Q of the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus y equal to 5 intersect at R having coordinates 9 by 4 comma 2. Find the area of triangle PQR. You have to find the correct choice. Actually, the question can be done by a normal way, but that requires a lot of calculation. I'm going to do this question by a very special way, and the concept which I am going to use in this question, that is a very good concept for saving time. According to the question, the given circle has center 1 comma minus 1 by 2 and radius as under root 1 square plus 1 by 2 square minus 5, that is 5 by 2. That is, the circle has radius 5 by 2. And then he says that from the point R, we draw two tangents to the circle. The point R is 9 by 4 comma 2, and this is the line PQ. We have to find the area of triangle PQR. Radius of the circle is 5 by 2. Note that in this question we have to just find the area of triangle. We don't require the equation or coordinates of anything. We just find area. As it is always easier to deal with a circle with center 0 0, I shift the origin to the point 1 comma minus 1 by 2. But the answer will remain same, because in answer we are dealing with area only. By shifting of axis or by rotation of axis, area or length etc. never change. And to make the question simple, I am shifting the origin to the point 1 comma minus 1 by 2. That is, to find the new coordinates of any point, subtract 1 from x coordinate of every point and subtract minus 1 by 2 from y coordinate of every point. Subtract minus 1 by 2 means add 1 by 2. That is, in every point, subtract 1 from x coordinate and add 1 by 2 to every y coordinate. By doing this, this becomes the point 0 0. This becomes the point 5 by 4 comma 5 by 2. One more very important concept I am going to tell you, and that is, according to old coordinate system, there is a line segment AB, and to make our calculation simple, suppose I divide all the x coordinate y coordinate by a number, say 5. In that coordinate system, find the length AB. If in the new coordinate system you find that the length AB is 2, then in the old coordinate system the length will become 2 into 5. The original length of AB will become 10. And second thing is, suppose there is some curve and you have to find the area bounded by this curve. Again, to make our calculation simple, suppose we have to divide all the x coordinate y coordinate by a number, say 3. Then according to new coordinate system, if I find the area of something as 2, then in the old coordinate system the area of this will become 2 into 3 square. Take care, 3 square will come, that is 18 will be the original area according to the old coordinate system or given coordinate system. And this thing I am going to use. And to make our calculation simple, because this length is 5 by 2, x coordinate is 5 by 4, y coordinate is 5 by 2, To make our calculation simple, I divide x coordinate and y coordinate by 5 by 4. By doing so, this point will become 1 2, because 5 by 2 upon 5 by 4 will be 2, and this length will also become 2. And now my figure becomes a circle with center 0 0, radius to this point 1 2, and this is the point R, P, Q, and I have to find the area of RPQ. Now the coordinates and length etc. are very simple. And now according to new coordinate axis, if the area of PQR is found to be say 3, then the actual area of this will become 3 into 5 by 4 square, because previously I had divided all the x coordinate y coordinate by 5 by 4, and because it is area, hence I will be multiplying by 5 by 4 square, and then I will get the area of the triangle according to the given coordinate system. Now let us proceed. The equation of this circle is clearly x square plus y square equal to 4. Equation of PQ will become x into 1 plus y into 2 equal to 4. That is x plus 2y equal to 4 is the equation of PQ. The length of PR is clearly 1 plus 4 minus 4, that is 1. And now if I draw perpendicular from R on PQ, say this point is S, then RS will be equal to, because the equation of PQ is this, RS will become 1 plus 2 into 2 minus 4 mod upon under root 1 square plus 2 square, that is 1 by root 5. And the length PS will become 1 minus 1 by root 5 whole square, that is 2 by root 5. And therefore area of triangle PQR will become 1 by 2 RS into PQ. RS is 1 by root 5. PQ is double of PS, that is it will become 4 by root 5, that is 2 by 5. And now according to old coordinate system, area of triangle PQR will be 2 by 5 into, because previously I had divided all the x coordinate y coordinate by 5 by 4. To get back the area in terms of original coordinate system, I'll be multiplying by 5 by 4 square. Y square I had explained in the very beginning, and now the answer will be 5 by 8. Hence I can say first choice is the correct choice.